guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. So I'm getting dressed because I'm going to go run some errands, and I was like, let me look cute because I was going through it this morning and I'm trying to get myself feeling, you know, good. I'm just gonna put on some like skin tint. I used the Fenty Eavesdrop. I just want to put some on to give my face a little bit of an even tone. I walked, I did a super quick back workout, and then I took a shower. And I was like, you know what? Let me freaking vlog or something to keep my mind distracted from like just sitting here and thinking about like, why do I feel the way that I feel? Because then I start overthinking it and then we go down the whole rabbit hole. So I put on some clothes, which took me a while because I didn't know what to wear. I literally need to find, I don't know, loose shorts or like pants because I don't think I have any. Not I don't think, I know I don't have any. Whenever I'm like in the mood to just be like chill and loose, I'm struggling to find what to wear, and I get annoyed because I have jeans and cargos, and like, who the hell wants to wear that in this hot weather in Florida? Like, what's today? 94 degrees. No. I just did my skin tint. I put some mascara on. I don't want to do anything else. That's perfectly fine. And I have to come home and wash like my hairbrushes and my makeup brushes because they look disgusting. I also have to change my, I kind of want to put a water filter in my shower, which I had one in my old apartment, and I bought one for here, but then the shower head was just so big and like I was kind of struggling to take it off, so I didn't feel like dealing with it. So I was like, you know what, F it, I'm just gonna leave it. But now that I'm looking at it, it needs to be like, no, like it looks like it has like hard water and stuff, and I'm like disgusted. So I think I'm gonna take it off and soak it in like vinegar and then put it back on and then order that filter. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this Skims bodysuit, super soft, not so tight, and I'm just wearing these shorts that I got from Express. I think I'm gonna wear these sunnies as well, and then maybe just some like sandals. I'm gonna wear these sandals from Steve Madden. I got this like tote because I've been looking for a tote and I've been struggling because I also don't want to spend too much money on a tote because honestly, like, I'm more of a small bag girl, but I'm on like this like, oh my god, I want a tote rant because I want to go to a coffee shop with my laptop, which I never do it. But I did start going down to the community like lounging business area so that I can actually do some work and not be in the home. So I have another bag that was kind of tight, so I was like, you know what, let me get the tote, but I'm not gonna spend 2K on a tote that I'm gonna use occasionally because this doesn't make any sense. So I was looking and I found this one. It's from All Saints. It was $220, I think, which is not bad. I'm just not sure because it doesn't have any type of, like, nothing. It doesn't have any type of structure inside. It's just, you know, the bag itself. And I tried to buy one of those internal, what do you call them? Like organizers from Amazon. But if I use it for this bag, then my laptop won't fit because the way that it's set up, my laptop has to go like in the middle since it has like since these are the edges. I don't know if it makes sense, but like my laptop can't go off on the sides because it won't fit. It's too narrow. So I'm like debating whether I should like keep it or not. I'm also kind of scared of like the material getting super dirty. I haven't used it yet and I've already had it for like 2 weeks. So I'm like, I need to hurry up and decide because if not, the material window is gonna close and I'm gonna be pissed. I bought one from Saint Laurent. I think it was $1,500 and it was like a typical bag, you know, and I was like, hell no, like this is just not worth it. Like it wasn't sitting well with me, so I had to take it back. I'm not a cheap person because I will spend money on things that I want, but I'm very conscientious of how I spend my money because I don't want to just blow money on irrelevancies, even though I do. But when it comes to like large amounts, I don't want to blow like, you know, 1.5K on a bag that I'm gonna use like seldom. Since I'm kind of hungry and I don't want to just be, I can get something to eat when I'm out, but I need something to hold me up right now. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna eat. I just had one piece of toast with some avocado smashed on top of it, some tomatoes, and feta cheese. Oh, that was so good. So now I'm gonna go to the mall, like I said, return those jeans from Abercrombie. I kind of have to do some stuff for like my sister page. We have to pick some outfits for like a collaboration that we have, so I have to sit there and narrow some stuff down. I'm gonna go downstairs to the like lobby area to just actually do the outfit picking and stuff first because I have to have that done like ASAP. Also because I just checked my Abercrombie stuff and apparently that other pair of jeans that I'm waiting on is coming today, supposedly. So I'm like, there's no way or there's no point for me to go and then come back home to see that it had been delivered and I could have returned it as well because I know it's not gonna fit me. I'm gonna give it until the post office comes and then check that and then go to the mall. It literally took forever to do those outfits. It's literally 6:26. So I was down there like at what, 3 something, and it took a while. So I don't want to go to the mall anymore. We did finish that though, but I'm still waiting to see. I don't think the pants are gonna get delivered today. And I really don't want to go to exchange that because it's all one order, so I kind of have to do it all at the same time. Well, I don't have to. I would like to do it all at the same time. Yeah, so, and I feel so dizzy. So I think I'm just gonna make something to eat. So I changed into just some like regular at-home clothing because I'm way more comfortable this way. Alright, so here's the pasta. So good. I'm gonna eat this and watch my Korean show. Okay, so I cleaned up as you guys saw. Now I'm going to tackle this. First, I'm going to disinfect the sink. It's been so long since I do this that I don't even know where the cleaning stuff is. So the pad, and then I have this like makeup brush shampoo. We have a shower head soaking right here, and then we have my brushes, my makeup brushes, and then my regular hair brushes. I went on a hunt for my packages. They weren't where it's supposed to be, and I ended up finding them. Found the last pair of jeans. Let's try them on right now. These look huge. Here they are. These are super high-waisted. You see how like they're long? If I wear heels, like they're fine. But otherwise they're kind of too long because they drag the floor. I really wanted to love these. These are all from the Curve Love section, but it's not really doing it for me. I got size 27 in all of them, but since they were all loose, I was thinking about sizing down to a 26. The thing is that these are like pretty much hard to find. The sizes are always kind of sold out. So I might just do like an exchange online because I think I have a better chance of finding them available online than going to the store and seeing if they have them in stock. People always tell me, get your stuff tailored. I'm just like, no, I'm lazy and I don't want to be buying things to get them tailored, but I might have to because your girl is short. Anywho, yeah, that's that. Last order of business is to fix these nails. So if you guys watch one of my last vlogs, you know that I mentioned that I wanted to grow out my natural nails because doing acrylics has been bad for my nails. So I've been on a break from fake nails, which has me like dying because this is how my hands look. I don't love it, but I hope that it's all worth it in the end. What I do is I soak them every so often in olive oil. This is a mixture of olive oil, salt, and some drops of lemon or lime. I put lime in mine, and I just soak them there for 15 minutes. Then I go ahead and just put a polish on. I use the OPI Nail Envy for growth. Alright guys, I did my skincare as you saw, and I'm in bed. So I'm going to call it a night. It's 11:40. I'm trying to go to bed early these days, not successfully, but I'm trying still. So, you know, we're in bed before 12. Hopefully we can actually fall asleep soon. I'm just gonna go on my iPad real quick and kind of like plan my day for tomorrow, and then probably do like some coloring. It helps me go to sleep or get sleepy, so I have this app called Happy Color. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching today's vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.